tell you how much I paid for this?
Go ahead.
Because you're gonna be like, there's no way. Yo, bro, this, that, and this. Tell me how much you think this is. First of all, it's Honda, like OEM Honda Access.
1,500. More? You paid more than nah, bro. Go home. Go home. Go home. Vete para tu casa.
You trying to tell me this ain't worth it?
They clip in?
I don't even know.
Déjalo.
Crazy. Nah, crazy, bro. I paid $1,800 for it.
This sick.
Well, this and that, bro.
My God.
Worth every dollar.
Yeah.
You will never see this again. Never.
You're trying to convince yourself right now. It's not working.
Okay, so you're gonna see this again. Where are you gonna see this? Tell me.
I don't know. $1,800 worth of seeing it again.
Pretty much.
So far everything under the car has been removed. Now we're working on everything overhead. Where's this swap going to?
Huh?
Where is this swap gonna go to? Are you gonna keep it as a spare? Or what are you gonna do with this swap?
No, this swap we're gonna put it on my cousin's car.
Alright, so that's gonna be another video. We're gonna be installing it to his car.
I have mounts over there actually.
Alright, so everything's removed on the top. Now we're ready to pretty much get ready to drop the motor. We're just gonna double check everything under the car and go forward.
dumbass.
Nah, I'm loosening.
No.
The motor is coming forward.
The T-bracket. T-bracket. You heard?
Yeah. Alright, go ahead. What's up? Alright,
You gotta pull it all the way. There you go.
So we started taking apart this motor at 12:45, and it is now 2:56. So we dropped this motor in about 2 hours, and we're just prepping it now. We're gonna clean up the engine bay and hopefully get it painted.
The rest of the stuff. Gotta finish taking the harness out and all these lines so we can get the engine bay washed and start scuffing for paint. And we're pretty much done. So just the last of it.
Alright, so we're wrapping up this video for right now. Essentially everything was taken off on the car. What's next now is to degrease the engine bay so we can get it prepped for paint. See you guys next time.
There's a battery that has the flat tip like that.